If you like it or not, who do you spend the most time as the rays of God? The rays of the sun aren't directly the sun, right? It's an extension of the sun, and we can feel its warmth and things, but they are devoted to taking care of. I grew up on a boat. I want to have manually all schedule posted, tweets, right? Creating that structure, creating that all the energy that we need to succeed. So I want you to take a listen. Start to notice your patterns. Oh, instead of just going into the lunchroom and sitting, go to your lunch instead, and then you eat your lunch, right? Get the energy up. So when you're done work, you have enough energy, right up. And we don't want to be where we are. Maybe you're in a job, you don't want to be there, but that job gives you everything that you need, to feed your basic necessities. You're too tired to do that. It's never going to get done, which means what? Your situation will never change, right? So then you have to be mindful of that. I'm always tired after work, after an 8-hour day. What can I do to have more energy, right? Well, what? Like, no.
Let's take these off so that I'm not yelling at you guys. Oh, shoot. Good morning. Good freaking morning, guys. Your girl is up. Your girl is ready. Your girl is girling, y'all. Every time, I ain't gonna lie, every time I pick up this camera, it literally shifts my mood. And it's just so... I can't explain it. I'm not even being dramatic. Anyway, today is Thursday, and y'all see me this morning. I had my slow morning. I had a full-blown morning routine. I got up. I got my room together. I got my bathroom together. I took me a shower. I brushed my teeth. I had my cup of water. I'm still drinking on it, but like I'm doing it when I can and as I can, and I'm celebrating that, and I am like being kind with myself in this process, because if you guys have watched my previous video, you know that I've been doing like the 75 soft heart but my way, and I let you guys in on a couple of things that I kind of wanted to like focus on, and like areas in which I wanted to mainly target in my little discipline challenge. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I haven't been The only thing that I've been doing bad with is like going to bed earlier so that I can get up earlier. And I never said that I was going to get up at 8 a.m. I told myself a realistic thing of at least getting up by 10, and I've been doing that. Okay? I may still be in bed, but I'm up. So, it's progress, you know. It's something, and I'm rewarding myself for that because it could be worse and it could be like nothing. Oh, and I also been doing good with the no social media within like the first hour of me waking up, because I noticed that it's easier for me to not get on social media if I wake up and I send out, not even send out, but I do my little good morning text, and then either just like lay back down and just chill with your eyes closed, or get up and then like, you know, hop in the shower and then brush your teeth, and then like once you start your morning routine, you don't even think about your phone. Like I noticed that once you start, like once you get out of the bed, you don't really think about your phone. I'm still working on the eating breakfast every morning, because I mean you gotta have the breakfast to cook it. Like, is the food in the room with us? No, I'm just playing. But I definitely, like, one morning I did spam and eggs, and then after that I didn't really like do breakfast anymore. Making my bed and then straightening up every 2 days and cleaning up every 2 days. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, my stuff haven't been getting so messy. I've been doing some shit. Like, I ain't even gonna sit here and downplay myself. I've been doing some stuff. When I be having like my free time, I don't just sit and scroll on social media as much as I normally do. I like watch some TV, or I listen to me some music. I haven't really been journaling like that, but I am going to journal today before I leave the house. And I have been drinking me some more water, and then I have not been drinking sodas like that. I have I still got, what is that? Coca-Cola come in a 6-pack. I got 4 left. I ain't drank one of them, so I only drank one of those Cokes. So I told myself I could treat myself to 1 soda a week, and what is it? It's probably been like, it's been like 1 week or 2 since I recorded that video. I think just 1 week, but it's been 1 week since I recorded that video, and I can say I'm not even gonna downplay it. I'm a little proud of myself. I'm not gonna say extremely proud of myself, because there's still things that I need to work on, such as like going to bed earlier so that I can not be groggy when I'm getting up. So yeah, cheers to that. And then kind of, I don't know, like the breakfast thing, it sounds cute, it sounds cool, but I may just have to like do a smoothie or some fruit, like something like that. I don't know. I'm really trying, y'all. I'm really trying. But other than that, I really don't think there's gonna be anything else in this video. I just wanted to do like my soft morning routine with you guys. Not even soft, like just slow morning. I've been loving the slow morning vibes, because you know, I get to take my time. I'm not rushing for anything, and it kind of just like not set the mood for today, but I'm feeling good today. It's sunny outside. I'm gonna go outside. I got a couple things that I want to do today, and I feel good. Today's gonna be a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed having this slow morning with me. Maybe you guys should try doing some slow mornings, because honestly it gives you a chance, and it gives you like, I can't even describe it. It just makes you feel so, because me, I'm always running late, so I'm always just like, and to finally, not even finally, but to just be like, cruising throughout the day, it's cool to me. So yeah, that's, like I said, this video wasn't about much. It's just more sort of like having a slow morning together. And I definitely have been like listening to my podcast all day, and I really wouldn't even consider them podcasts, because they're really just videos, but I've been listening to them. I think I'm like probably 3 or 4 videos in. I don't want to say his name wrong, but I think it's Hines or Hines. It's one of them, but I think it's Hines. I literally listen to the intro every time, and I forgot. But his videos are pretty good, and the videos that I was listening to today really touched on some things that I've been like you know, all up here about. But that's neither here nor there or everywhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Prada, basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.